All right, looking looking at your setup here, I wish I can. I don't see. I see the line there, but I need a little bit more visual of what's happening, like on the opposite side over here. I can't see. Um, I see. So I'm assuming you have a light because this is a light setup here. You have the opacity turned down. Yeah, like I would like to see the scene setup. So it's kind of hard to judge just from this shot here, but I think you might probably want to look into trace sets. For example, I got a glass ball and I've got a sphere here, and I've got a light on it here. And again, you can remove from specular, but trace sets are a little bit more cool. I figured this out. So for example, say I don't want this cyc bouncing into this glass ball, right? So what I'll do is set up a set trace. I'll call this glass ball here. And then I'll call this cyc. And then if you see this, you go to the object panel, you'll see here trace set visibility. Then I'm gonna come over here and type cyc. And then we've got this metallic ball over here too. And I'm just gonna go mech. All right. All right, so we just basically labeled these here. Now, if I come and say, I don't want to see this cyc in this at all. I can come over here, click on my ball, go to trace sets and go, actually it's going to be like this, plus, and then it's going to, you see exclude and re-include, right? So just type in the thing you want to exclude here. I'm going to go CYC, cyc, and then you can see it just pulls the cyc right out of that, right? Now, if I click on this metallic ball, and then I come over here and say, I want to exclude glass ball. Now you see, oops, the glass ball is not reflecting in the metallic ball, but we're seeing everything else, right? You see, you don't see the glass ball in there anymore. So obviously you can check these different things. We got diffuse, you got shadows, like more options, but definitely probably look into doing that as far as playing with that. Again, there's that. All right, because then even like if I go back to where was I like that, then we've got that light still fucking. Then you can come over here to your thing, and then boom, now the light's not affecting that, right? So try playing with trace sets. That might help. Again, I can come over here and change this to cyc. Now we don't see the cyc in it, right? And now we do see the glass ball in it. So if I don't want to see the glass ball, I think we can even do this. I think we can go like this, comma, glass ball. Boom. Check that out. I didn't even I realized. Yeah, boom. Put a comma in between there. Now we don't see the cyc or the glass ball. Okay. But we still see the light over here reflect this light right here. So that might help.